Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Pisces, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Pisces. So these are for your general energies. This card is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, guys, Pisces. If you like this reading and if it resonates, guys, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. So for your moon energies today, we'll be picking this card. And for your love guidance, this is the card. And for your fortune cookie, guys, we'll be picking one card. We will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, Pisces. So we'll start with these cards here. We have Three of Swords, Ace of Wands, Ace of Pentacles in reverse. So in your circumstances today, Pisces, you are confident about something, happy about something. So you are seeing some success in work or maybe in your personal life. You are happy for something, guys. And you are seeing good offers, opportunities coming your way, maybe in your work, some projects or some offers with lucrative, very good lucrative returns, and you are happy for the way things are going. And you feel that your talents and skills are put to good use and you are really passionate about the things you are doing today. So there is something like an adventure or some kind of a new beginning coming your way. So it may be the way things are going in your career or it may be something in your relationship. So for some of you, you know the truth today. You see things more clearly. The reason for certain circumstances, maybe this person's behavior, or maybe what you felt, the words they spoke, or their behavior just told you that something is missing, something was missing, and you know the truth today. And you are, what to say, you know that this person is not interested in you. There may be someone else in this involved with this person and they are focusing on that person. There is a third party involved. But all that pain you went through, you had a very, what to say, some kind of an intuition. It may be a bad intuition you had. So that has proved right today, guys. Maybe this person is not interested in you and they are seeing someone else. But since you know the truth today, you feel really happy and relieved of all the stress. So all that tension and stress you were going through for this relationship has gone away from you and you just want to take it from where things are beginning today. And that may be the reason we have these cards. You are really cheerful, happy that somehow you are relieved of the situation. You need not worry about this person anymore and you can look after yourself. That may be your attitude here, guys, today. That is what I see with these cards. So for your relationship, again, this card just means that you cannot trust this person. And maybe even if you want to forgive this person and try to get back to them, I feel that They cannot be trusted, guys, this person. So they do not have true love on you. So they were here just to make use of you. It's really difficult for me to tell that, but that is what these cards are about, guys, Pisces. So for your career situation, Pisces, we picked one card. We will see what it is. It's Fool in reverse. So today you are rushing towards something, and maybe you are careless about something. Something is distracting you. Maybe your personal life problems are distracting you. You need more focus, Pisces, in your career situation if you want success. So let's see what is the card for your moon energies, guys. We picked one card. Hold your vision, fixed moon. So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work, you are too stubborn, maybe for some of you. Or are you feeling really stuck, unable to move, unable to decide? So it is uh, your choice, guys. You need to understand your circumstances. Maybe you are unable to make a move, change the way things are going. But today, all you need to have is patience. If you have patience, you will know what is the truth, because your circumstances are changing and you will understand your circumstances in a better way if you are really patient. And you need not judge yourself or judge anyone. You need to just try to understand yourself. So if you are holding on to something and if you are the reason for this circumstance, you need to change, guys, Pisces. You need to think, reflect within yourself what needs to be done today. So that is the energy with this card. So for your love guidance, we picked one card. Let's see what it is. Action. So with this card, it just means that maybe you are not trying to show yourself. You are just trying to hide yourself, shying away from people. But today you need to express yourself. So deep down, what are your intentions? What do you want? What are your likes and dislikes? Whatever it is, if you just express yourself, you are going to make everyone understand you, and you are going to take the center stage. Everyone will just watch you and they will know you, and things will change for you in your circumstances, guys, Pisces. So that is the energy with this card, guys, Pisces. So for your fortune cookie for the day, guys, let's see what it is. Love life. Affairs of the heart could cause future problems, but take heart, as difficult situations will be resolved by a good decision this week. Such a beautiful and apt fortune cookie for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching, Pisces. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.